So my people will agree to now from different places, and then those of you who subscribe to our channel, we say thank you very much. I beg, I want you all to study this one concerning this Edo State matter, this case where they fight for court. Like this jarret of a Tina, in the thought say case not there, the case between APC and PDP. And this is the that what I said, this is a BVS where they carry on the court now. In the thought say no case, is dead on arrival. But at the end, in the beginning, when the try made the made them check the device for court of Benin, but you people were just kicking against it, kicking against it. But now, if they are not in Abuja, just because of the same case and some of all these things which you guys did not allow them to do. But you they come interview now, they talk, say there's no case, they don't have anything to say. And you also say something that PDP don't have any weakness. And the same man you use the same, not even up to how many seconds. You now flip it that the weakness that the PDP is bringing, they are, there's a way you put it. You said in fact, you said they were not there. But before you said that there's no weakness. No, you are not saying the PDP weakness, they are IC. But anyhow, we leave everything to the judges. I just feel they should do the right thing this time. Even today now, we heard that even Ochomola is in the court. Let's see how it goes. I just pray Tinubu, wherever you see all the Edolite, their voices, even those who is not Edolite, their voices is being heard about this election and this case. Tinubu, you need to do something, or you leave the court for them to do the right thing. Whosoever that won, let it pick the matter. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Okay, bye-bye.
What just happened now, bvas machines for 100.
They're going on well. I'm here. Anytime I hear bvas, I'm always around. Because you remember I accused the Obaseki that they were trying to smuggle bvas in. So anytime I hear anything about bvas, I normally will want to come around. So that's why I came in today to check. I think it's going on well. They don't have a case, which even people that are laymen in law are aware that they actually don't have a case. Call your witnesses, you are not getting the witnesses to call, you are trying to blame it on people. So I think their case is dead on arrival. And the case, all their witnesses is based on ESA, and the law does not allow that. It's not tenable, ESA, in court. My name is Jarret. I'm chairman APC Edo State.
Well, the case is not slow. We have an excellent case that was brought before the tribunal, and the tribunal is taking her time painstakingly, taking our evidence, tabling our facts, and cross-examining, our witnesses. And today we made significant progress. We had 2 of our witnesses testify before the tribunal, and to the glory of God, we had inec tender 133, later they changed to 148, later they changed to 151, later they changed to 147 bvas machines for us to examine results for 133 polling units. We have been dragging this with inec for so long, and that is why we had to apply for the tribunal to be relocated to Abuja so we could have access to the bvas machines, and inec had to be subpoenaed by the tribunal, and today they submitted the bvas machines, and we're excited. We're going to do markings of the bvas machines today, and by tomorrow our witnesses from the polling units will come to speak to the bvas machines, to speak to the results we have brought before the tribunal to challenge.
On break, so we'll be back by 2:30.
Okay, let's follow up the procedure so far. What you have seen so far from the PDP weaknesses, do you think your party stand a chance to retain this governorship?
Very well, because I can see some of the 2 of them they called, they were out of point. Let me put it that way. Because you cannot say a witness of PDP when you were not directly involved. You imagine somebody in Unit 9 will be testifying for Unit 20 or Unit 22. That one is not obtainable in law. I'm not a lawyer, but I know that if you want to, if you are a witness, you must be from that unit before you can stand as a witness in court. So what we are witnessing today, or what we have witnessed today, is just a jamboree. They are just here to come and play.
So you are saying that the petition is not worthy?
No, the petition is watery, very watery. I'm very confident that yes, at the end, APC will have their way. Especially grace of God, what I've seen today is that we have our way.
We tendered. What INEC tendered today, they said they brought in 148 bvas machines used for 133 polling units. Now what they did was to tender them, dump them, and then left. And now you cannot take your vehicle to a mechanic without an engine. That means you have started bringing in a carcass. And so what just happened now, they wanted to also feed in weaknesses to tender those bvas. And they said these bvas are not marked. It ought to be marked before you can tender them. And so they now applied for an adjournment to enable them put their house in order. And so, in the wisdom of the courts, they now adjourn the matter for tomorrow again for continuation of hearing. We are happy, we are going on, and we are moving on very well. Thank you.
The court says it is moving so slowly. What is your position?
Well, it is the petitioners who are moving at a very slow pace. By now, we would have gone further than this. And so, what the court is saying is that, we are too slow. They need time for the respondents. They need time for them to address the court. They need time to also write their final judgment. So the pace at which they are going is too slow. So that is what they said. And so it is normal for them to be annoyed, not to be happy at this stage. But yes, so far so good. We are on, and the tribunal is moving on.